Good afternoon, dear students. So let's begin with the first question. Here, solve the following equations by substitution method for x and y. Solve by substitution method. Solve by substitution method here. So equation is 3x minus of 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2, and x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. So here we can take the LCM here, right? So 6 is the LCM. So we have here 6 is the LCM. So 3 3s are 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 2 here, and we can cross multiply here. So we have one equation, that is 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Same here, LCM is 6, so it is 2x plus 3y, 6 and 6 get cancelled. So here we can write that 9x is equal to 10y minus 12, and x is equal to 10y minus 12 upon 9. So from equation 1, here we will substitute the value of x in this equation here. So we have, in place of 2 into, that is 10y minus 12 upon 9 plus 3y is equal to 32, right? So here we will multiply, this is 20y minus of 24 plus, we will take LCM here, 9 3s are 27y is equal to 13 into 9, right? So here we have 27, and that is 47y is equal to, so here 117 plus 24. So y is equal to here 41 upon 47. So 7 ones are 7, right? 7 3s are 21. So value of y is coming 3. Once value of y is 3, we can put the value in any of the equation, right? So x here, x is equal to, that is 30 minus 12 divided by 9, right? So it is equal to 18 upon 9, so which is equal to, so value of x is equal to 2. What is the value of x? X is equal to 2. Now the question we have, that is with elimination method, to find the value of x and y by elimination method. Also we can do in the same way. Now question is, the greater of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller angle by 18 degrees. Find the two angles, right? Here, the greater of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. Let one angle is x. Let one angle is x degree and another will be 18 plus x. Right? Supplementary, the two angles will be C. X plus 18 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So here twice of x is equal to 180 minus of 18 degree. So here we have 162, right? So x, that is 8, 1. Therefore one angle is 81 and another is plus 18, that is 99, and the other is 99. So these are the two supplementary angles which are asked. So we have here Vaishnavi Rana, good morning dear. Then we have Tamanna Prania, then Mita Mishra, x is 2, y is 3, very right. Okay, so let's take a few more questions. Find the roots of the equation. Find the roots of the equation. Find the roots of the equation. Roots of the equation. The question is 2x minus 3 upon x is equal to 5. To find the roots, first we have to write it in the standard form. Okay. So we have here Gurkaran Preet also from 10A. Very good morning, Gurpreet Singh ji. So here we can write first LCM is x. So we have 2x square minus of 3 into 5. Cross multiply, it becomes 5x. Here is 2x square minus 3, and we can write here 2x square minus of 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Right? So here to find the roots, we can apply the quadratic formula also and splitting middle term also. Quadratic formula we know minus b plus minus d upon 2a. And if you want to go for splitting middle term, 2 into 3 is minus 6, right? And minus 6 here plus 1. So here we can find 2x square minus of 6x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0, right? So here we can write that is 2x into x minus 3, again x minus 3 here, but here we need 1, so is equal to 0 here. So what we have here either 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or first we can write down in this, these are the factors, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So either we have that is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here if x is equal to minus 1 by 2 or x is equal to 3. So these are the two zeros of this quadratic equation, that x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3, right? So next one, write the 7th and 10th term of the AP. AP is given Write the write the seventh and tenth term of the AP. Write the seventh and the tenth term of the AP, that is minus 1.7, 1.2, minus 3.2, 5.2, and so on. So here we are interested to find the seventh term and the tenth term. Seventh term, here what is A? A is minus 1 by 2. And what is the common difference? Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. So here the common difference is minus of 2. Right? So here A7 is equal to A plus 6D. So A is minus 1 by 2 plus D. D is minus 2 here. So answer is minus 1 by 2 minus of 12 is equal to minus 13.2. Minus of 13.2. And the next part, that is A10. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. A is minus 1.2, 9D, that is 18, minus of 18. So it is minus of 19.2 is the 10th term of the AP. One is this and the 7th term is 17.2. Right? These are the two terms of the AP. Okay. So next we have find the common difference of the AP in which find the common difference of an AP in which A18 minus A14 is equal to 32. Right? So here we are interested to find the common difference. Right? What is given? A18 minus A14 is equal to 32. Right? So we know what is A18. A18 is equal to A plus 17D and A14 A plus 13D. Right? So when we subtract, that is A plus 17D minus A minus 13D is equal to 32 here. A and A get cancelled. So we have left here. This implies that 4D is equal to 32. And 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. Therefore, the required value of D, that is 8. Right? The required value of D, that is 8 here. Okay. So next question. So here yes, very right. Minus 13 by 2 and minus 19 by 2. Okay, so here we have Sugandha Mishra, right? Both the values they are right. One is minus 13 by 2 and minus 19 by 2. So go for the next question. Let me write the next question on the board. Question is, which term of the AP is first negative term? Which term of the AP, that is 121, 117, 113, so on, is the first negative term? Is the first negative term, right? Here you have to, AP is given, AP starts from 121, 117, 113, so on. You have to tell which term which is its first negative term, right? As the common difference is negative and minus 120, 121, 117, common difference is there of minus 4. So you have to tell which term is minus the negative term. Okay, so do it fast. Common difference here is 4. We will check first here whether 0 is the term of this AP or not. Right? If we check common difference here, D is equal to 4 here, and we will check that 0 is the term of this AP. 0 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Common difference is minus 4, right? So what we have here 121 minus of 4n plus 4, right? So here what we have, this implies that 4n is equal to 125. So n cannot be in fraction. 125 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4, right? So 31st. So here we can go ahead with 32nd term, right? A37, sorry, A32. A32 is A plus 31B. A is 121 plus minus of 4. So here 121 minus of 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, right? So minus 3, right? So it's 32 term, 32nd term of this AP is the first negative term, right? Which is minus of 3. So what we have done, we have checked here that whether 0 is the term of this AP. So by substituting the value in the formula, that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So here we have 0 is equal to 121 plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 4. So here is minus of 4n plus 4. So interchanging the sides, that 4n is equal to 125. 121 plus 4, that is 125. So here 125 is not coming in the table of 4. So we will say 0 is not the term of this AP. If 0 is not the term, 31 point something, because when we go for the here, it is 2, right? Point 31.2, because 10 here, right? 5. So here n cannot be in fraction. N cannot be in fraction. Cannot be in fraction. In fraction, right? N cannot be in fraction. So here we have substitute the value that not 31st term, 32nd term, that is a plus 31b, that is 121 plus 31 into minus 4. So minus of 3 is the first negative term of the safety, right? This is the first negative term of the safety. So next one, we have the question. In an AP, if A is equal to 1, AN is equal to 20, and SN is equal to 399, right? Then find the value of N. Then find the value of N. Then find the value of N. What is given? First A1 is given, AN is given, SN is given. Then find the value of N. Okay. So we can apply here that the first term, that is A here, and last term, that is, so we have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, right? So Sn is 399, n by 2 is there, A is 1, and An, the last term, that is 20, right? So we have here 2 into 399 is equal to 21n, right? So here n is equal to 399 into 2, 21, right? So here 21, we got 21 when we divide, right? 399 by 21, 21, so it is 8 here, so 189, so let's 9 here, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So in this case, the value of n is equal to 38. The value of n is equal to 38, right? So next question. So let's discuss the next one. Find the value of k find the value of k for which the pair of equations, we have the pair of equations are k x minus y is equal to 4 and 6 x will have infinite many solutions. For what value of k? For what value of k the pair of equations have infinite many solutions? Infinite many solutions, right? For what value of k? So we know for infinite many solutions, a1, the condition, that is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So what we have? We have here value, that is k upon 6 is equal to minus of 1 upon minus of 2 is equal to 4 upon 8, right? So we can either cross multiply here, 2 ones are, it is from 2k, or just cross multiply here, k is equal to 3, right? K is equal to 3. In this way, that k upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2, right? So here k is equal to 3, or here if k upon 6 is equal to 4 upon 8, then also it is 1 by 2, right? So k is equal to 3. The value of k, that is equal to 3 here. Okay. So well right, Sugandha, that is the value of n, that is 38, k is 3. Okay. So let's take sum of natural numbers. Sum of sum of if the sum of two natural numbers, if the sum of two natural numbers, if sum of two natural numbers is 25 and their difference is 7, and their difference is 7. What are these two numbers? What are these two numbers? What are these two numbers? Right? If the sum of two numbers is 725, difference is, right? So find the numbers. So we know here one is alpha and one is beta. One, right, or sum the two natural numbers. That one is x plus y. X plus y is 25 and x minus y is equal to 7, right? So we can solve in this way also. Okay, so what we have here, the sum of two natural numbers is 25, their difference is 7. What are these two numbers? So here when we add both the equations, we have twice of x is equal to, it is 32 here. So here what is x? X is equal to 16. So one number is 16. So another number is your 25 minus 16, right? 25, another number 25 minus 16, so it is 9 here, and their difference, right? So numbers are, one is your 16 and one is your 9, and their difference is 7, right? What is their difference? So here we have 9 and 16 very right. Sugandha also very right, and Sneha very right. The numbers are your 9 and 16. Okay. So Let's take few more questions. Next question is, divide the polynomial on dividing the polynomial so here on dividing divides x cube 3x square plus x plus 2 by the polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and minus of 2x 4 respectively. Find gx. So we know the division algorithm, px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, right? So we want to find the gx here. So here this will subtract, that is px minus of rx, we have to subtract, and then we will divide with qx. So what is gx? Here first we will subtract px minus of rx and then divide here with qx, quotient. So quotient here is x minus 2 and the remainder here is, that is minus of 2x plus 4, right? So what we will do, we will subtract here px, first px minus of rx, right? So here when we subtract x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus, when we subtract the remainder, that is 2x plus 4 here. So here 2x will come, when we open the bracket it will become negative, and sorry, subtract, it will come negative will become positive, and 4 will become negative, right? 4 will become negative. So after it, what we will do, we will divide this polynomial, that is x cube minus 3x square plus x. So here we have 2, it becomes x and 2x, it will become 3x. It will become 3x and minus of 2, right? So we will divide with x minus 2 here. So what is left? That is x square. So it is x cube. Again, that is minus of 2x square. Minus of 2x square. We can subtract UV is there, UV Bhatti, very good afternoon dear, right? So here what we will do, we'll minus here, we have left minus minus plus, so we have left here with minus of x square plus 3x minus 2 here. So there, then we will start with minus of x. So minus of x is, here it is minus of x square, minus minus plus of 2x, right? Again, this is plus, minus, so here we have x minus 2. So here with plus 1. So here is x minus 2, then minus plus, so we have the remainder. Therefore, the polynomial as we have discussed, the gx here, gx, that is x square minus x plus 1, right? So what we have done, by Euclid's division algorithm, we have here, that is px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Okay, reservation division algorithm says, so what we have done, remainder that is rx we have subtracted. After subtracting px minus rx, we are getting x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4. So 2x and x, it will become 3x, and here minus of 2. So by dividing with the quotient, that is x minus 2, we get here as a quotient, that is x square minus x plus 1. That is the gx here. Okay. So this is all about today's class, right? So I hope you have enjoyed these questions. So with this, thank you very much. God bless you all. Stay safe and stay healthy.